In this video, I want to share with you 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in February. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 100 prompts, first I just want to apologize for the lighting because my ring light actually just broke, so I'm using the flashlight from my iPhone. So sorry about that. I'm going to go get a new one today so I can get you guys some higher quality content. But let's just do a quick sales update. So it is Saturday, November 30th, 12:02 p.m. and sitting at only 5 sales, $3.73 in royalties. Pretty bad day right after Black Friday. But yesterday was Black Friday, and I did pretty good, $86 in royalties, 51 sales. Just in general, this has actually been a pretty bad month for me. I don't know how everybody else's sales are going for November, but I was expecting to do a lot more. Usually I do, or this year, usually I've been doing about 2,500 to 3,000. As we can see here, this month is 1,500. So, you know, about half, a little more than half. You see last month was 2,900. So not too sure what that's about. Keeping my fingers crossed that December is a lot better. But one thing that I say, like, if you're having a bad day, don't focus on the days, like focus on the months, because usually I'll have a bad day, but the month is going good. But you can apply that same thing for the month. Like if I'm having a bad month, I can just think, well, I'm having a really good year. And this has actually been the best year I've ever had on Merch by Amazon. You know, in 2022, I did $6,000 for the whole year. 2023, last year, I did $10,000, and this year is my best year ever, where I'm at $25,700 in royalties, and I still have December left. So this isn't the best month, but I'm having a great year, so I'm happy overall. But yeah, so these are how my sales are going. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. So if you're interested, you can sign up there. I think I need to sign into my Instagram. But let's go ahead and get into the content of this video, which is the 100 prompts for February. So every month I make 100 prompts for my members, and I also sell it to like my subscribers as well. So if you click on the link in the description or in the pinned comment, it will take you to this page. I was using Gumroad, but I'm not using Gumroad anymore. I'm using PayHip. It's basically the same thing, just a different platform. So right here you can see 100 prompts for trending February niches, only $9.99, and you can see here you get a Word doc and a PDF document. Let's go ahead and take a look at those niches that will be trending in February and the prompts. So I'm going to jump on over to Ideogram. Now, the way that I have the Word document set up is that it's basically 4 categories of niches. So it's going to be health and awareness niches. It's going to be, let's see if I can get better light here. It's going to be health and awareness niches. It's going to be career niches, and it's going to be animal and food niches. So starting off with the health and awareness niches. So we have muscular dystrophy, which will be celebrated in February. So support squad, muscular dystrophy awareness. My God is stronger than muscular dystrophy. Muscular dystrophy awareness, we fight together. I wear lime green for muscular dystrophy awareness. And then my hero is now my angel, muscular dystrophy awareness. So those are 5 prompts right there for the muscular dystrophy niche. Then we have epilepsy, so having a seizure back in 5 minutes. Let's make epilepsy extinct. Sorry if you can hear that noise. My neighbor's doing some banging. In November, we wore purple, epilepsy awareness. Just a simple epilepsy awareness one with the butterflies and the ribbon. I wear purple for my son. Epilepsy awareness. It's not a seizure. I'm buffering. Epilepsy is proof I have a brain. What's your excuse? And then support squad, epilepsy awareness. So there's about maybe 7. Actually, there's a good amount of epilepsy ones. Next one is going to be arthritis. So arthritis awareness, again with the butterfly. Not all wounds are visible. Then I wear blue and purple for my wife, arthritis awareness. And then I'm an arthritis warrior. And the ones right here where you have like the demographic, like wife, you know, these can all be scaled. So you can take this design right here, or like this one right here that has son. I think there's another one that I also saw. No, it's just those ones. But yeah, so the ones that have like the demographic like this, you can just scale them out. You can do son, daughter, you know, wife, husband, mom, dad, you know, grandma, grandpa, as long as that type of awareness or that disease is for that type of demographic. All right. So I always recommend that people do like a quick little Google search on the actual disease or syndrome or whatever it is, or cancer, just so you kind of know like who it affects. I wear red for my son, Marfan syndrome awareness. I love someone with Marfan syndrome awareness to the moon and back. Her fight is my fight, Marfan syndrome awareness. So those are the health and awareness ones. The prompts, the niches that will be trending in February. Now we have the profession and the career ones. So the first one is going to be bartender. So world's okay as bartender. Jesus, tips 20%. I have to admit that's pretty funny. I love it when you put the tip in. I'm with the sexy bartender, adult daycare director, aka the bartender. Then we have anthropologist. So these are niches because they're like it's bartender, like appreciation day, things like that, or anthropologist day. So here we have forensic anthropology. I find you more interesting if you were dead. Forensic anthropology because bones are awesome. Never underestimate a woman who majors in anthropology. One like this I think is really good because you're taking the niche and you're cross niching it with a demographic of women. So I think that's a good one right there. Not your average anthropologist. Anthropologist, like a normal scientist, only cooler. Then we have the engineer niche. So when God created me, he needed a good engineer. English is important, but engineering is importanter. Student engineer will do ridiculously hard math equations for food. Engineer, I'm not arguing, I'm just explaining why I'm right. Relax and let the nuclear engineer handle it. So here we're actually niching down in the engineer niche, doing like a micro niche, which is nuclear engineer. Engineer, I try to make things idiot-proof, but they keep making better idiots. Here we have aerospace engineer. It's not like it's rocket science. Oh wait, yes it is. I'm a chemical engineer. If I run, you should run too. I'm an engineering student. I have no life. I'm an engineer to save time. Let's just assume I'm always right. So those are the engineering ones. And engineering is probably one of like the top profession niches on Merch by Amazon, at least in my opinion. It's up there with like nurse, teacher, engineer is just a big one because there's just so many engineers in the United States and worldwide. Now we're going to switch or go to the mailman. So it's Mailman Appreciation Day in February. So don't mess with the mail lady. I know where you live. Just a girl who delivers. Out of my way, I've got 8 hours to do 12 hours worth of mail. Postal sloth. I'll get there when I get there. Again, cross niching with an animal. That's a good idea. This is my human costume. Oh, so those are the profession or the career ones. Now we're going into the, actually this one kind of snuck in right here. A legendary mailman has retired. Okay, so those are all the profession ones. Now we're jumping into the animal ones. So this is my human costume. I'm really a hippo. Just a girl who loves hippo. This is actually a really nice design right here. That would definitely sell, in my opinion. Hippos are my spirit animal. Hippos make me happy. Humans make my head hurt. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas, so this one could work well for right now, since we got Christmas coming up. Then we got the monarch butterfly, so easily distracted by monarchs. Save the monarchs, plant milkweed. Monarch mama, monarch whisperer. Just a girl who loves monarchs. Then we have golden retriever, so my brother is a golden retriever. The best therapy is a golden, just a girl who loves golden retrievers. Golden mama, this could be scaled out to papa. I'm same with this one right here for the butterfly, monarch butterfly. Same here with this one, do sister instead. But we got golden retriever dad. Now we're moving on to hedgehogs. So once upon a time, there was a girl who loved hedgehogs. It was me, the end. I just really like hedgehogs. Okay, not a hugger. Hedgehogs, that's a cute one. Then we got whales. I don't know why they're getting mixed up like that. Usually I have them all exactly in order, but easily distracted by hedgehogs. Now we're going to whales, so just a boy who loves whales. Sometimes life is overwhelming. It's basically what it's trying to say. It's a play on words. Whale, it's another hump day. Here we got some more. I'm just here for the breach, krilling it. These play on word designs, tend to do like the best, at least in my opinion, on Merch by Amazon. It's like this one right here, krilling it. I'm just here for the breach. Whale. Sometimes it's overwhelming. Those get a good laugh, and they work really well for gifts because when they open up the gift, usually the person kind of cracks up. Okay, so those are the animal ones. Now we're moving on to probably one of my favorite niche categories, which is the food niche. And so here we got banana bread. I love me some banana bread. I actually had a piece this morning. Banana bread queen. If you're a member, you know that I talk a lot about this in my member videos. You can just take almost any niche and just put the word queen after it, and usually it tends to sell. You can also put king after. You can also put squad after, but I've just seen that over the years for so many niches. Just take a niche, put queen after, king after, squad after, and it's a good chance that it'll sell as long as the design is good and it's a niche that people are interested in. Next one is I'm only here for the banana bread, and banana years I'm bread, banana bread master, banana bread hell yeah. And then we got margarita, so salt and lime is margarita time. Mamacita needs a margarita. Margarita squad, so here again you take a niche, put the word squad after. Then we got pancakes. Every day is pancake day. I'm just here for the pancakes. Life is better with pancakes. Pancake king, like I just said. You could also do queen squad as well. Pancakes and pajamas, world's best pancake maker. Then we got just a girl who loves pancakes. Then we got tater tots, so the hottest tater tot in the oven. Just a girl who loves tater tots. I'm just here for the tater tots. Haters gonna tate. I just really like tater tots. Then we got grapefruit, so this girl really loves grapefruit. Stay bitter. Obsessive grapefruit disorder, feeling grapefruit-tastic. Here's a fondue one. What the F? This is actually a pretty popular style. What the F is a funny, there's something that people text all the time. So if you can find words that start with F, like right now, or at least yesterday, it was the Thanksgiving, so it was wine, turkey, family. So if you can find like a funny acronym that works for this. So where's the fondue? Where's the fish? That's also a really popular fishing one. But let's move on to the next one, which is going to be chocolate. So just a girl who loves chocolate. Give me the chocolate and nobody gets hurt. This could be scaled out for a whole bunch of other food niches as well, just like a lot of these. But give me the, you can come up here, give me the grapefruit, give me the tater tots, give me the pancakes, and nobody gets hurt. So you can just switch out these prompts. Official chocolate tester. A day without chocolate is like, just kidding, I have no idea. Then we got a balanced diet means chocolate in both hands, and that is going to be it. These ones right here are the member niches that I give out. One note or one announcement that I want to make is that make sure you're subscribed, or just keep a lookout for a video of me. I'm going to be putting out a video towards the end of this month, right around December 31st. I have a special announcement, something I'm going to be doing for the start of next year, a new challenge for myself. So just keep a lookout for that. Just give a little suspense. But those are the 100 prompts and niches. So if you click on one right here, you'll see this is the prompt. So all you have to do is just basically take the prompt that you get from the Word file, and you just copy and paste it. You put it in here. I use design, and then I just hit generate. I like to have it on 3.4, auto, private, model 2.0. And then what I like to do is I like to upscale it. So I'll just upscale it like this. And then the way I get rid of the background, because a lot of people ask me about how I get rid of the background. But before I get rid of the background, I actually upscale it again from another website. So if you just bear with me here, I'll just show this to you because a lot of people ask me this. Take a quick sip of coffee while it loads. Comment below and let me know how your sales went for Black Friday. So I'm just going to save this real quick. Whoop-de-whoop. And then I'm going to jump on over to upscale, I think it's called upscale. No, that's not it. Upscale. Right here is this one. Alright, so it's taking its sweet time. Okay, so there we go. So I'll just come right in here, hit upload image, and let's go to where the heck is it? It's this one. Now this is a paid tool, so I'm actually paying I think like 20 bucks a month or something like that. But it's just going to make the quality of your image a lot better. It's going to avoid you getting so many returns, because it basically just upscales the image. It just makes it looks nicer. Here you can see the difference in the pixels. So this is just showing you kind of like my workflow. I will enhance the quality again. Now that does cost another credit, so that part's not mandatory. Again, this is just the way I like to do it. Here's a little bonus Christmas niche. Takes me to eat Mexican food, to look at Christmas lights. These are the type of niches I give out to my members. Okay, let's see here. Then I go to download image. and then I'm going to pop it into Photoshop. But before I do that, I'm just going to pause the video just to make sure I'm not showing anything crazy on my Photoshop. Okay, so here we are on my Photoshop, and then I'm just going to click on my Finder. I'm going to find that. I need to get my head out the way here. Need to find that, where is it? Transform. Yeah, so that's the one. When it says transform, that's how you know that it is the right one. Bring it over here. Then I'm just going to hit the eraser tool. I just like to hit E on my keyboard. Click on it. It's probably going to come up with some. What the heck? Why does it want to do it? Okay, so I'm just going to click on the button. Usually I just click the E button. Okay, then I'm just going to erase the background. Get rid of this. The reason why I like to enhance the quality, because sometimes if you don't enhance the quality, I'll get like a bunch of black spaces, and it just takes like kind of like, well, I'm actually not finding any, or like this right here. I'll get a bunch of like these kind of all over. Okay, so sorry about that. My screen recorder cut out on me, but basically what I was just trying to show you is how I also like to clean it up. So I'll come over here and I'll click on the paint bucket tool, and I'll make sure that I have it as white. So stupid thing is in the way. Let's go over here and try it. And then what I like to do is I just like to come over here and just make it look all nice and white like this. See how it's kind of like messed up right there? So I'll just basically go like this through the whole design. I won't do it all for you guys, but I'm just showing you like my workflow on how I like to do these prompts. And then once it's all looking nice and clean, I will just take it and I'll make it as big as possible. This is a 4500 by 5400, the max, and I want it as big as possible like this so that it really stands out and pops. And then once I have it like this, I'll just basically save it as a PNG file, and that is what I will upload onto Merch by Amazon. Alright, so that's my workflow on how I upscale and get rid of the background. So that's going to be the video for today. Again, if you're interested in these 100 prompts, you can click the link in the description or in the pinned comment. You can get all those prompts for February for only $9.99. And I'm also going to be working on some Valentine's Day niches or prompts, some, what is it, St. Patrick's Day and Mardi Gras, because now that we have Christmas, you know, well, it's not, we still have, I mean, you can still upload Christmas designs, but, you know, after Christmas, the next big holidays are going to be Valentine's Day, you know, St. Patrick's Day, Mardi Gras, Easter, things like that. So you want to kind of get a little head start. And I think December is a good time. Like, you should have probably gotten your December niches up probably, you know, in November, or your Christmas niches. You could still do it now for the ones that are trending. But okay, I'm starting to ramble. That's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Keep an eye out for that update video coming towards the end of the year, and I will see you guys on the next one. Adios.